Good evening, y'all. Well, look at this tree done fell down right here. Storm was just strong last night. This is actually a Regions Bank. And check out what it did to the sign right here. The whole tree just knocked down the Regions sign right here, the bank sign. This is insane right here. Whew. This is crazy, y'all. Oh, that wind did a number on this. It's quite cold out here too. The other side of it right here. Dang. The whole thing just uprooted from this foundation right here. So, just not seeing this is insane right here. Whew, it's cold out here too. Yeah, this is insane. And that whole region sign is gone. So they're gonna have to come fix that up again. Yeah, big old tree. Strong storms. It's crazy. Oh man. Well, guess. And look at this in the road right here. This is insane. Well, just want to show y'all this tree that done crashed down in the Regions parking lot here. So, all right, y'all. Well, I'll see you guys next time. All right, y'all take care.